Hello guys. Okay. Today we will learn uh export concept only. Write export and identify the locator based on the partial text or substring of inner text. Okay. Already we have opened at this field. Right click on this element. I will pick the forgot password is the example. Now we are telling that partial text, right? So previously we have seen the full text, now partial text. So what I will do now is a anchor tag here, right? Forgot password, FORGOT, right? Okay. Use anchor tag A contains because we are going with the partial text, right? Partial text, comma. Here we need to provide forgot. FORGOT, forgot. See, based on the partial text. So here I will write XPath using partial text or substring of substring of not text. Same here. I can write forgot password, right? Just give password. Instead of password. Just identify that. Anything is fine, right? Thank you guys.